Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be continuing on with my Birthstone series. So for today's makeup tutorial I'm going to be doing Blue Topaz, which is all for my December babies. And to start off this tutorial I'm going to go on with the NYX Ultimate palettes, just this wee colourful palette here. I'm going to go on with the darkest blue shade, and instead of doing my usual packing and then blending the shadow, I'm going to be packing and blending just as I go. And I'm also just going to be packing this blue shade on as intensely as I can for the meantime, so once we blend out we don't lose any of the colour. Then just taking a clean blender brush, I'm just going to buffet those edges and just blend that blue shadow out. Then I'm just going to go with the Maybelline Colour Tattoo Gel eyeshadow, and I'm just going to be using this to slightly cut my inner crease. I'm just going to be using this as a base for my first eyeshadow. I'm just going to be packing this on just basically all over the lid. Then taking the Makeup Edition Cosmetics Flame and Love palette, I'm going to take this absolutely beautiful teal turquoise shade, and I'm just going to pack that in the inner corner and all over the centre of the lid. And as you can see with the gel shadow underlying, it just makes that eyeshadow pop. So I'm next going to go in with the Colourpop Super Shock shadow in the shade Coconut. This is just a really beautiful satin dark teal shade. I'm packing it on the outer corner and bringing it into the centre of the lid as well. Next up for my wing, I'm going to take the Mega Liner by Wet n Wild, and I really wanted to create quite a dramatic wing, so that's why I did quite a dramatic wing. I just absolutely love this wee liquid liner. It is just so easy to create such a perfect wing. Then I'm going to take the Helen É Fix Gel and a wee glitter from eBay and a pair of pointed tweezers. So with the Helen É Fix Gel, I'm just going to use the tweezers just to apply that, just or spot it randomly over the eye, and that is how I'm just going to apply the glitter. So I just wanted to include this wee bit just to actually show you. This is what I recorded of me applying the glitter. My spotty pruned head and my dodgy eyebrows. But yeah, I had just applied it randomly. As you can see here, you can kind of see what I done, but I apologise. Back into the NYX palette again, taking that exact same blue shade. I'm not wanting to do anything too much on the lower lash line, but I just wanted to join up to the top lid. And then for lower lash line mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. And for inner corner highlight, I'm going to take the Aurora palette by Anastasia. I'm just going to pop this just in the inner corner. And while I was doing that, I just kind of thought that it would look really nice if I actually brought it up into like the contour of the sides of my nose, like in that crease area. I just really thought that that pulled it off really nicely. So thank you guys so much for watching. All the products will be down below. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you on my next video.